Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys sound and vibration setting guys, and guys today video title is guys how can we on guys vibrate while ringing setting in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to on guys so Samsung phone guys vibrate while ringing setting guys, so how can you on and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see guys how can be on guys Samsung phone guys vibrate while ringing setting guys. So guys first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys Samsung phone sound and vibration guys. Click on phone sound and vibration. Guys you can see vibrate while ringing. So once you want to on, so guys you can on from here. So guys you can use guys your vibrate while ringing guys. When call will come, so guys your phone will vibrate while ringing. So like that guys you can on guys Samsung phone guys phone vibrate while ringing setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Are you friends you understood how to on Samsung phone vibrate while ringing? So bye guys, thanks for watching.